Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time where you fade to the blackness. And when you staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold. And when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight, and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, yeah, somebody take me back to the days.
I wanna seize the day like it's the greatest thing that ever happened. I'm gonna shift my gears and leave before I'm caught up in the traffic. Don't wanna hit the wall like a lumberjack. Gonna crank it up like a maniac. Cause I like it and I'll do it again. You can ride shotgun, but only if you bring along some jingle. And if you don't come flying, cause I've been thinking better since I'm single. I took one step forward and two steps back, and was this close to a heart attack. And no, I don't wanna do it again. I'm into overdrive. Yeah, super overdrive. Life's a hell of a ride when the rules don't apply. I'm into overdrive. I'll answer to only me, myself, and I. Think I just let it slide in overdrive. I see the birds fly.
Det är en person som vinner en Sprojlands-telefon från Samsung, och även att vinsten blir inne.
Nej, vi pekar på dig.
Innebär också att man kan bringa en härlig stund i deras VIP-tält. Nu ska vi se. Vi ser två tjejer i rosa t-shirt och en Riks-tröja. Och två Riks-tröjor. Och det här är Ida Svensson vinklar mig. Ida kommer från Eskilstuna, har åkt dit särskilt för att gå på Riksdagsfestival idag. Och så vinner hon också detta fina. Ser du bra?
Ja!
Hör du bra?
Ja!
Fullkomligt strålande. Ja.
We've been all over the